How to remove product from your post on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile and then click on any post you want like this one. Now just hold on any product you want here and click remove product, and that's it. As you see now product is removed, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.